This summer 12 men and women will put their fate in their own hands by becoming city sharks. These men and women will learn to trade in the heart of London's financial district, with only one shark taking the £100,000 prize for best trader. Do you have what it takes to become a city shark where winning is everything? Can you rise to the top, or will you succumb to the pressure? If you feel you have the balls for the challenge, then please subscribe to receive information on how to apply. Filming begins summer 2016 and will last for 6 weeks. No previous trading experience is required. All expenses and a generous daily wage will be provided to successful candidates. City Sharks will air late 2016 on a major UK television network. This social experiment requires a wide range of different personalities from all sectors of society. Lack of a formal education or previous work experience will not go against you. So if you feel you have the motivation to succeed and wish to join us, then City Sharks welcomes you and wishes you luck with your application.